Hello everyone. Today I will show you an easy guide on how to cancel VPN Lumos subscription in 2025. Let's break it down. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any important steps. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, start by opening your Settings app. Then tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID. Next, tap Subscriptions. You'll see all your active subscriptions. Look for VPN Lumos and tap on it. Finally, press Cancel Subscription. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. Tap the menu icon, then select Subscriptions. From the list, choose VPN Lumos and tap Cancel Subscription. For those who subscribed using PayPal, log into your PayPal account. Click on the Settings icon, navigate to the Payments section, and then choose Manage Automatic Payments. Find VPN Lumos from the list, and click Cancel. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to cancel your VPN Lumos subscription, no matter which platform you're using.